Record tonight program to Cloud for those who may be interested. And I would like to start by making a proper introduction of myself. For most of you meeting me today for the first time, my name is Engineer Ofon Ubokudum is my name. I'm the Billionaire Ambassador. I'm your host for tonight. And I want to appreciate each and every one of you for giving me the opportunity to facilitate tonight's business meeting. And I would like to talk a little about myself. Especially for those of you meeting me for the first time today. I am an electrical engineer by profession, like every other person that went to school. I went to school. After the school, we went for service, and after then there was no job. We were practically looking for a job. At some point, we decided to be moving around the streets looking for where they are building houses, and we started doing electrical installations on buildings, and we get a day pay of about 3,000 naira as a graduate. At some point, when you finish completing one particular apartment before you get another building for project, of course, it's always big and challenging. So we started learning how to do liquid soap, air fresheners as graduates. So someone like me, I was selling liquid soap in the main market, wholesale market, relief market. Of course, even in Keoka and Amenyi, because I was staying in Oka, that was where they posted me to serve Anambra State. So after a good number of months, 3 good years, one of my friends came to me and talked to me about the Share It Get Paid project. He said, Engineer Fon, have you heard about the Share It Get Paid project? I said, no. What is it all about? He said the project is for forward-thinking, serious business-minded individuals. That the company provide you with an information on text messages, on WhatsApp messages. Your responsibility is to share those information. Whoever that get the slot, company pay you, they reward you every day for doing that. I heard about daily pay. I was interested. I asked my friend, I'm broke and poor. I live in face my face, so I need to make money every day. Since I'm not making money, like how much would they pay me every day? He said like 10,000 naira in a day, 20,000 in a day, 30,000 in a day, 50,000 in a day, 100,000 naira in a day. I shouted. Of course, I did not believe it's possible. I doubted this business I'm about to share with you guys tonight. For 8 good months, I was a big Thomas. I did not believe it's possible until when I saw the result in the life of my friend. My friend bought a Toyota Corolla, came to my house and knocked on my door. I came out, he showed me the car and said, this is a result of what I achieved in 8 months. I know I'm a Nigerian. Every Nigerian man loves to see results. We love to say result, cancel insult, and seeing is believing. So seeing that I was motivated, so I swallow my pride. I asked him a question. Are you people still having your business meeting? He said yes. I said, can I attend one with you today? He said yes. I jumped inside his car. He drove me to the seminar presentation arena. After the presentation, I asked my questions, and my questions were properly answered. I got my slot, dropped my account number. I began to the training and mentorship. I began to share information. Few days later, this company started to pay me, and this company has paid me every day from the beginning of the year to the end of the year for the past 5 years now. This company has paid me more than 600 million naira. The company has taken me to more than 10 countries in the world. I've got the car you see on my screen is my fifth car in life. I got the car 3 years ago for 18 million naira. This year I'm planning to get my sixth car. That car goes for 35 million naira. Somebody tell me 35 million naira car is too much. I say it's not too much. There are cars like Lamborghini, Ferrari, Maserati that goes for over 100 million naira. Now you know a little about me. So we need to move straight ahead to talk about why we are here today. We are here because of the sharing economy, which is the new normal. Of course, most of us may not understand this economy, so I need to take all of us back to the 18th century, which is called the agricultural economy or the agricultural age or the agricultural era. That was when men were practically farming and hunting to survive. Our forefathers practically married 2 to 3, 4, 5 women because they wanted these beautiful ladies to give birth to a lot of children so they can help in the cultivation of the farmlands. Because those days, the number of farmlands you can cultivate determines your harvest and determines why you are rich or successful. For example, if I cultivate 2 plots of land and you cultivate 20 plots of land, our harvest can never be the same. And that was the generation. Suddenly, we moved to this era called the 19th century. This is called the industrial economy or the industrial era. That was when entrepreneurs like John D. Rockefeller, J.P. Morgan, Tom Ford start building companies, factories, industries. Of course, there was a need to train people to work in these factories. There was a need to train people to work in our companies and industries. So that was when the concept of school system really came into a being. The idea was go to school, get a good certificate and get a good job. That was the concept. And those days, people did not want to change from being a farmer to going to school. It was simple. What the federal government of Nigeria did was to practically give their citizens scholarships, allowances, and bursaries. So if you choose to go to school those days, government may likely give you scholarships and bursaries. And after you are done schooling, you don't need to look for a job those days. When you're done with your NYC, we call it POP, that is passing apparent. Company come, passing apparent. Company come looking for you factories, industries, paracetamol. Of course, you don't need to look for job. Even those days, even with class 6, you will get a job even with class 6, and that was an era. And suddenly we move from that era to this era, of course, called the computer economy. In the computer economy, that was when Bill Gates became the richest man in the world. That was when Bill Gates, the school dropper, was busy installing Microsoft on laptops and computers. That was an era. And suddenly we moved from that era to this era called the sharing economy. In the sharing economy, ideas rules the world. In my generation, you can conceive a world-class idea. With the help of internet and data, you can control the whole world from the comfort of your room. Remember, last year there was total lockdown, and there was something happening in Nigeria. They called it, of course, NSAS process. Where did it start from? Online. Something is happening right now on Facebook. They call it Stingy Men Association online. And that one they call Stingy Women Association, something that never happened before, and it's happening only in my generation. And in this generation, you don't need certificate to be successful. What you need in my generation is certificate, because what you need now is to conceive an idea. Data and internet can help you, of course, anywhere you are in the world. And you know the funny truth about this generation, there's abundance in my generation. There's abundance. We don't have scarcity anywhere. We only have scarcity mindset. Finish. In my generation, of course, there are forward-thinking, serious business-minded individuals who have taken advantage of this economy already. To mention a few tonight, let's start with Uber. Uber has been ranked as the world's largest taxi company in the world. Own no vehicle. Uber doesn't have a vehicle. Simply having a system that connects human being to taxi. Uber makes 25% of all any Uber driver that you see in Nigeria, Lagos, Abuja. Uber makes 25% of all their hustle, because they have a system of residual income, a system that leveraging on. Look at AP&P, the world's largest accommodation provider. Own no real estate, simply connecting human being to accommodation. AP&P are making 30%. Look at Facebook. Facebook has been ranked as the world's most popular media provider. Creates no content. Most of us listening to me tonight, you have a Facebook account. The question is that who created your account? You did that. Who will post on your timelines and walls? You're going to do those ones. Your friends will like them, comment on them, of course, even share them. Some of us do what they call Facebook boosting. Mark Zuckerberg is making money. All of us are listening to me right now via Zoom. During lockdown, there was no movement. Companies were shut down, factories, industries. So there was no need for CEOs like us to communicate with our staff physically. So that was when the need came that we start downloading Zooms on laptops and phone or smart devices. So someone like me, I pay Zoom 45,000 every month just to use the facility. And Zoom made 5 billion US dollars in 2 months during lockdown. 5 billion US dollars. How many of us have been hearing about Jeff Bezos of Amazon? Jeff Bezos of Amazon made 15 billion US dollars in 2 months during lockdown. Look at Instagram, the world's most valuable photo company in the world. Sells no camera. Netflix, the fastest growing television network. Less no cable. Alibaba, the world's most valuable retailer in the world, has no inventory. None of these 6 companies existed 20 years ago. Why am I telling you all these stories? Is I want you to think. Because you need to think, because I said none of these 6 companies existed 20 years ago. So you bring a 20 years idea to argue with us, there's no need, because person will know something, and he no say he no know. What do they call him? As in, he doesn't know, and he doesn't know that he doesn't know. What do you call those kind of people? You should know the answer. And we have imagined a system that allows you get paid just by sharing information made available to you. I want to ask you a question tonight. Will you share those information on your text messages and WhatsApp messages and get daily pay, daily alert, or will you walk away? People are telling me, Jonathan, I cannot share information. I don't share information. That is not true. Because last December, you have sent so many text messages and WhatsApp messages to your family and friends. Merry Christmas. This year, 2021, you have sent so many text messages and WhatsApp messages to your family and friends. Happy New Year. The question I want to ask is that, did MTN pay you for doing that? No. Did Glo pay you for doing that? No. What about Etisalat or Airtel? No. But you share information, you didn't get a pay. Now, our company says we are going to provide you with information, entrepreneurship information on your text and your WhatsApp messages. Your responsibility is to share this information. And of course, an average Nigerian that have a cell phone has over 100 to 200 contacts in his phone. You have an information that would have changed those people's life financially. You did not share information with them. Let me be honest to you. When those people have financial problems, they will share their financial problems with you. And if you don't give them money to solve their financial problems, they will consider you wicked and stingy. And if you give them money to solve their financial problems, you are giving the man fish. Every time fish, every time fish, every time money. You got to stop giving people fish. Teach them how to fish. Because if you share this information to all your contacts and they attend our business meeting and they love the business model and they get a slow, we are going to mentor them. We're going to add them on the mentorship class for 6 months. We will train them how to become a millionaire in 6 months, making 1 million naira. Because, in the millionaire school, we are going to talk about core values in life, core purpose in life, money master class, how to make money, manage money, grow money, financial intelligence, emotional intelligence. We are going to train them for 6 months. Okay? Number one, if they just become rich and wealthy, they will never come and beg you for money again. That is the truth. Number two, if those become rich and wealthy, they will become self-independent. Number three, they will forever remain grateful to you for showing them how to fish. The question I want to ask you now is this: will you share those information and get paid, or will you walk away? The choice is yours. We are living in the world of opportunities. Let's look for business model inside the sharing economy. Why are we looking for business model? Because it's expedient and important that we begin to talk about the reason why you listening to me needs to have more than one source of income. If you don't have more than one source of income, because there is no rich and wealthy man that have one source of income. Most of us have what we call one source of income, and all your bills and responsibilities depend on that source of income. That is why you can see someone can work from January 2020 to the end of December 2020. Last year, he has little or no savings. Okay? Nobody said the man no make money. The man made money. The man hustle. But the point is that so many bills and responsibilities are depending on this one source of income. So it makes it hard for the man to save money. And to be honest, I'm frank with all of us, the moment you wake up in the morning, you put toothpaste on your toothbrush to brush your mouth, you are spending money because you use money to buy the toothpaste. So you just squeeze a percentage of the money out. The moment you wake up in the morning, you grab your bathing to take your bath, you are spending money. So for the fact that you spend money every day, you deserve to make money every day. And one of the worst problems that can attack your one source of income is called village people. Village problem, no, they ever finish. If you are doubting me, ask those living in diaspora, living in abroad, living in Obodo Yibo. Ask them questions since they left Nigeria. They have been working, sending money to Nigeria. Has it ever solved the Nigerian people's problem? The answer is no. For the matter of fact, most people in Nigeria think that once you leave this country, the Obodo Yibo, that you guys outside there in diaspora, that most of you are plucking money from the tree. People in Nigeria think that you guys are sweeping money on the street of Obodo Yibo. That is why the way they're asking you for money, as if they gave you the money to keep for them. Auntie send me £100, Uncle send me €100, Auntie send me $100. And if you don't give them money, they will call you wicked and auntie wicked uncle. And if you give them money, since the time you send money to Nigeria, has it ever solved their financial problem? Stop giving them money. Show them business, how to make money. We are in Nigeria. We'll teach them and mentor them. Okay, the thing is this. Oh, let me just continue this evening. And let me just use 2 minutes to talk about money. Money has been a controversial issue. People don't want to talk about money. Money has been looked down. Let me borrow from my friend. I want to talk about money in 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Money, I want to borrow from my friend, my mentor, my coach, Robert Kiyosaki. Is a multi-billionaire. The man wrote a book called Cash Flow Quadrant. And the man practically told us that everybody in life makes money from 4 major ways. Either you are making money today as an employee or self-employed or entrepreneur or business owner or an investor. As an employee, you must have a job. And job is spelled J-O-B, which means just obey your boss. You have a job today, your boss will tell you when to come to work, when to close from work, how much he will pay you. That means you have to trade your time for money. And your boss paid you salary at the end of the month. And salary, nobody ever became rich by receiving salary. Go and look at it. The top 1,000 rich and wealthy people in the world, none of them made it to the top through salary. Come back to Nigeria. Look at it. The top 100 rich and wealthy people in Nigeria, none of them made it to the top through salary, because salary is a bribe given to an employee. So forget about their dreams in life. Write it down. Write it down. Salary is a bribe given to an employee. So forget about their dreams in life. So you work for a man for 30 days and he pays you once in a month. And if you're working for somebody, the person will use your time, whether you agree with me or not. The person will use your energy, whether you agree with me or not. The person will use your intellectual property, and they pay some peanut at the end of the month. My mother worked for Akwa Ibom State government for 35 years. She finally retired last December. And the government of Akwa Ibom State told my mother that for the past 8 years, they have not been paying gratuity in Akwa Ibom State. That means they will not pay my mother her gratuity. Government has scam. My mother worked for 35 years. And last month, she retired December 2020. Last month was the month, January 2021. Government told my mother that her pension, they'll pay her later. That means they imagine a mother who never have a son like me. Of course, the question is that the elderly will be begging for money. Government, okay, the worst thing that my mother's certificate she used to work for 35 years, I cannot inherit that certificate. Certificate na scam. If my father was a medical doctor, my father died as a medical doctor. I will cry. After crying, can I go and inherit my father's certificate and say, me too, I'm a medical doctor? I cannot do that. Certificate na scam. If my father was a lecturer, professor of law, professor of science, and my father died as a lecturer, can I go and inherit my father's certificate and say, me too, I'm a professor? I cannot do that. Certificate na scam. The school system teaches you how to think, how to cram and memorize, and never to think. That is a 1 + 1, 2, 2 + 2, 4. Whatever lecture teaches you, garbage in, garbage out. If you think and add anything from your brain, they mark you bad. And the school system teaches you to become an employee. I know one funny thing about life. If my father was the MD of CEO of bottled water company, pencil industry, biro industry, book industry, Coca-Cola industry, any business at all, my father died 500 years old. I am the only surviving son. I am 1 year old. I am the owner of that business. When I'm up to 18 years, I can legally inherit my father's property. So why do you spend your life building something your children cannot inherit you from? Because job has less risks, less rewarding. You follow others. If your boss asks you to sit down, you're standing up, query, fix wages, trade your time for money, build other people's empire. A lot of competition in the workplace. And that's your job you are protecting with your life. Your child cannot inherit your job. Make haste when the sun shines. Find black goats when night never come. Okay, nobody, if you see people that work for somebody for 40 years, they keep complaining. And that's why if you see an average Nigerian man who doesn't have money in his pocket, the man will start moving around, feeling rejected, feeling frustrated, feeling that somebody is owing him, feeling less about himself, having low self-esteem, having inferiority complex. If you see a Nigerian man when you get money for his pocket, ask him one question. Ask him, why are you poor? Or ask him, why are you broke? If you ask a Nigerian man when you get money, that question, the person the man will answer you. The man will start by complaining. I'm broke because the economy is difficult, because nobody sent me to school. My auntie in the hospital did not support me. My uncle did not support me. He find who to blame, and the man complain and complain and complain. And of course, the man never complain about one thing. He never complain about himself. And the man give you excuses why he's broke and poor. An excuse is the currency you use to buy failure. Excuse is the currency used to buy failure. So you want to fail in life, start giving excuses in life. Nobody ever became rich and wealthy by giving excuses. You see the man? The man walk around having what they call entitlement mentality. Nobody's owing you anything. Your father is not owing you. Your mother is not owing you. Your father is not owing you. Nobody is owing you anything. Your uncle, your auntie, they are not owing you. Stand up and do something. If it's up to be, it's up to you. Stop complaining. Stop complaining. You know, some people they like to complain. You know, the truth about life is this. If you don't live entitlement mentality alone, you are struggling. You're going to suffer for a long time. If it's up to me, it's up to you. The federal government said I'm not owing you. Buhari said that Nigeria is broke. Why do you depend on a country that is broke? Can't you create your own economy? We want to create our own economy like China and Dubai. We don't need government. Make them day their day, make we day our day. So today, let me talk about people that are self-employed. A self-employed man is people that says, we don't want to work for somebody. We don't want somebody to work for us. We know them now. Keke man, Okada man, laundry man, barber, mechanic, tailor, seamstress. The people that says, most of them have shops. So they don't employ anybody. So they go to the shop in the morning, open the shop, and they will stay there. And they don't want to employ anybody. So when they are not in the shop is closed. They are not making money. That means shop is spelled S-H-O-P, which means stay here, operate property. Stay here, operate property. Except they think outside the box. Except they employ someone else. They let they employ somebody. From that day, they don't become self-employed again. They become an employer of labor. They become business owners. As a business owner, you own a system. People work for you. System is spelled S-Y-S-T-E-M, which means save yourself, stress, time, energy, and money. Every rich and wealthy man have a system of residual income. For you to own a system is a capital-intensive project. But tonight, we are going to show you a system less than 50,000 naira. We are going to hold you by the hand and mentor you for 6 years. For 6 months for you to become rich and wealthy. For you to make 1 million naira every single month for the rest of your life. Our company is already 15 years in over 100 countries in the world. We are 9 years in Nigeria. I am 5 years in the company already. This year, make this year. We are into training and mentoring. We teach you, add on the millionaire school. Why are we adding you on the millionaire school to train you? Because person will go medical school. When the person graduates, what would the person become? A medical doctor. Person will go law school. When the person graduates, what would the person become? A lawyer. Person will go millionaire school. When you graduate from millionaire school after 6 months, what will you become? A multi-millionaire. You know, the good thing is that people every entrepreneurs you see, they are leveraging on human being. And every investors you see, they are leveraging on their money. The key word on this side of the coin is called leverage. The key word there is called trading your time for money. So every people that have worked for a good number of years, they have saved a percentage of their income could be 10% or 20% or 30%. They have over ₦1 million plus, and they're leveraging on that money, and that's what we call investors. And let me move ahead to give you 10 reasons why you need to say yes to our business. 10 reasons why people say yes to the business. 10 reasons why I did the business. Number one is the fact that it's a one-time lifetime business law registration. You know, for any company in the world to be legal, that company must be registered with the government of that country. For example, in the case of Nigeria, for your business to be legal in Nigeria, your business must be registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission, called CAC. And after you have done that, you have to go to Federal Inland Revenue Service, called FIRS office. You have to go and get what we call tax identification number, TIN, tax identification number. And our company says you need to get a slot less than 50,000 naira that covers all this, and you have to drop your account number so that as you do the business, you'll be having daily pay, daily income. You don't do the business, the company doesn't pay you, because we are not Ponzi scheme, we are not cryptocurrency, we are not charity organization. This is business, and the money comes in daily. We call it daily pay, we call it daily alert, we call it daily income. For me, company has paid me over 600 million in 5 years. I can't even show you my alert. It's scary. But there was 1 month last year, because we were in total lockdown. I've been at home from February ending to the end of last year without not leaving my house. And of course, I have 2 lovely children and a beautiful wife. So I play a lot with my children at home. So the company pays me every day. But except I just live for Lagos for 1 week. And there was 1 month last year, company pays more money, playing at home with my 2 lovely children. And I can afford to show you that, because Nigerian man want to see results. We love to say seeing is believing. Result canceling salt. Let me show you that month is the month of October 2020 last year. On the 1st of October, company paid me 182,000. On the 2nd of October was on a Friday. Company paid 573,000. Saturday and Sunday, banks don't work in Nigeria. The following Monday was October 5th. 2020, company paid me 687,000. Tuesday was 6th October, company paid 582,000. Wednesday was 7th October, company paid over 300,000. Of course, Thursday was 8th October, company paid 503,000. On a Friday was 9th October, company paid over 390,000 naira. I can't even show my account balance. It's scary. It's just traveling to Dubai, buying condominiums, buying hotel apartment. Of course, look at this Saturday and Sunday, they didn't get a pay. On the 12th of October, company paid me 685,000. On the 13th was Tuesday. Every day of my life. For the past 5 years, I get paid every day, from the beginning of the year to the end of the year. Of course, except Saturday and Sunday or public holidays, that banks don't work in Nigeria, because we partner with banks in Nigeria. On the 14th of October, company paid me, talking to you, 306,000. On the 15th, company paid me over 2.1 million naira. I want to ask a question tonight. Am I qualified to mentor you to earn 20,000 every day? Yes, I'm qualified, because you don't follow a man that knows the way to Lagos. You don't follow that kind of a man. You follow a man that knows the way to Lagos. Take people to Lagos, take people to Lagos, take people to Lagos. Okay, the man no road. You don't follow a man who has never made 100 million naira before in his life, bulk money. I don't mean political money, I mean business money. I don't mean gross income, I say net income. You follow people like us that made 100 million, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 million. Okay, money making is a skill. If you don't know, you don't know. Money making is not by power, it's not by giddy giddy. If money making was by power, people that carry Dangote cement from the trailer to the warehouse, they would have become the richest people in the society today. If money making was by power, of course, people that push wheelbarrow in Nigerian market, they would have become the richest people in the society. Money making is not by power, it's not by giddy giddy. Money making is not by certificate, it's by certificate. If you don't learn the skill of making money, people will live their life on looking out to make money till they die. They'll struggle financially, and that will never be your portion. And I pray for you this evening. Money will meet money in your hand. Say a big amen. Today, look at my fifth car in my life. This car gave me so much respect I don't deserve. You know, in Nigeria, we have a lot of gallops on our road, and when you enter gallop with this Mercedes Benz Somatic, okay, the kind of feeling you feel inside the car, you will now confirm there is a big difference between motor and car. Difference there. And of course, I stay in Osama Estate. My architectural friend brought this mansion to me. It's often you need to live in a 100 million naira mansion. Of course, they have going to be swimming pool, a car park, and a gym. I'd give him the money for over. He bought 3 plots of land in South Africa. Of course, they see a security man post. That is a car park. That is a gym. This is a borehole. And of course, the Wayon Bender is about running up his work. And look at the architect here. And the street in South Africa is named after my name, Ambassador of Bokodom Street. This is an estate that only billionaire stays in Akwa Ibom State. Ask question. We have 3 major estates in Uyo. One is Osama Estate, one is a 1000, one is Shelter Africa. I live in Osama, relocating to Shelter Africa before the month of April runs out. And because of this business opportunity, my life has changed 360 round. Company give us unlimited free products and free international trips. For me, I've never boarded a flight before in my life. The first time I ever boarded a flight, this company took me outside Nigeria. 2016, company took me to Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Manila. Out of 120 Nigerians, I represented my country, the Federal Republic of Nigeria. When we came back, of course, 2017, this is me, that's my lovely wife. I took Mama Portrait of us traveled out of 125 Nigerians. This is my billionaire mentor. That is me, that's my wife. This is Mama Paul, son of my billionaire mentor. 2018, I took 19 partners of the DIS Millionaire School. Out of 128 Nigerians, I represented our country. Of course, we traveled. 2019, I took 28 Nigerians out of 229 Nigerians. And of course, last year, 2020, early last year, I took some people to Dubai. We got a yacht cruise in Dubai, and we have some fun. This year, we travel 2 to 3 times in a year. April 2021, we are going to Dubai. We're going to spend 5 days in Dubai, 2 days in Abu Dhabi, free of charge. All expense paid trip. Why don't you get your business slot today? Let us work and mentor you. You are interested to travel with us to Dubai. April this year, go to the chat box and type 1. I want to see your comment on the chat box. You want to join us to Dubai by April 2021, go to the chat box and type 1, type 1, type 1, type 1. I want to see your comment on the chat box. September, we are traveling, so we miss April. Don't miss September 2021. We are thinking of being in Las Vegas, Bahamas, Maldives, Seychelles. So we want to travel by September. Go to the chat box and type 2, type 2, type 2, type 2, type 2, type 2. We want to see your comment on the chat box. They're the board of directors of the company. And of course, and looking at this, the company practically pays us in 9 different ways. Because of my time this evening, I will share 2 ways with us. I will take questions. I will call it today. The company says we are going to provide you with an information on your text messages and your WhatsApp message. Your responsibility is to share those information. Anybody you share the information on WhatsApp and the person got a slot, company reward you with 4,500 naira. Why is the company rewarding you? Because you shared information. There is no free money even in Freetown. Anywhere you go, they say free money. You got on 419. And this one, you are getting rewarded for what you did. If I was to be your shoe, I will use 500 naira and load data on my phone and share this message to all my contacts. If one person gets a slot, call me paying 4,500. I pocket 4,000 for inside my pocket. Okay, a bad business. It's not a bad business. When I 2 customers say yes, company give me extra 7,000 naira. Practically, look at how it works. This is you right now tonight. You share with your friend Fatima. Fatima got a slot, company pay 4,500. You share with your friend Akpos. Akpos got a slot, company pay 4,500. Now 2 customers have gotten a slot. Company pay you 7,000 naira extra. That makes your money 4,500 plus 4,500, 9,000. 9,000 plus 7,000. That gives you 16,000 naira in your account. Now, if I was to be in your shoe, I'll use 1,000 naira and load data on my phone and share this information to all my contacts. If 2 customers say yes, company pay me 16,000 and I pocket 15,000. Okay, they tell me the truth. Now, bad business. It's not a bad business. And the company says, please intentionally enroll these 2 guys on the Millionaire School. Why do you have to do that intentionally? Because success is not an accident. Success is intentional. So there's no way. So you have to enroll in the Millionaire School. We are going to train them. We are going to mentor them to share information. Once they told them share information, they also earn the same benefit you earn. 4,500 and 7,000 naira. But for you who did nothing, company policy says whenever a customer say yes on the left and the right, company pay you 7,000. The more the customer say yes and right, 7,000 naira enter your account for the rest of your life. This is how I was able to make my first 600 million naira in 5 years. 600 million. Let me tell you something today. I don't know how true it is. When MTN Network came to Nigeria, they went to Obasanjo. Then he was the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. They told him, Obasanjo will say to you one time, make you clear road for us, move run package for Nigeria. Obasanjo someone said to me like that too. How I go say to me, be saying, anybody in Nigeria load 100 naira recharge card, we're gonna give me one naira. And Obasanjo has been getting this one naira after the MOU, you know, understanding. We call it residual income. We call it, of course, leverage. Nigerian population is over 200 million people. People that use MTN network is over 50 million people. And every day, Obasanjo is making one naira for every 100 naira recharge card you load. I don't know how true it is, but I had a rumor that when Coca-Cola came to Nigeria, Coke made to Wolo family and say, Wolo, I beg. Now they handle power now. Clear for us, most to you one-time payment. Wolo will say, no, Mona answer to me like that. Anytime they open Coke in Nigeria, Mona gave me 3 naira. And every bottle of Coke open in Nigeria, he makes 3 naira. Now, do you know how many of a bottle of Coke sold in Nigeria in a day? And the whole who has died, and the family are still getting the money. It's called leverage. Okay, the beauty thing is that the vision is clear. The company is creating 100,000 entrepreneurs that earn $10,000, of course, or 4 million every month before the year 2025. And the company has done 30,000 already, which I'm part of them. For the past 3 years of my life, there is no day, there is no month I earn less than 4 million naira. There is no day I earn less than 100,000. For the past 3 years of my life, I don't need to talk to you, even though I'm sleeping, money must enter my account. So remaining 70,000 now. You are interested to be part of the 70,000 people that will be mentored, that will be trained, that are going to hold you by the hand and mentor you. Go to the chat box and type 1. We want to see your comment on the chat box. You want to make 4 million naira. It take us 3 years to mentor you. It's a training program. This is not a magic. To mentor you, train you, coach you to make 4 million naira every month for the rest of your life. You are interested, go to the chat box and type 1. And of course, we hold our Zoom meetings every day by 7 p.m. Please, if you don't understand the business model, instead of you being negative, you can go and come back another day. The Zoom meeting is every day by 7 p.m. Don't be negative in life, because negative things happen to negative people. Positive things happen to positive people. And of course, I'm in Uyo right now. I was supposed to be in Uyo from 5th of January to 31st of January 2021, but I'm beginning to enjoy my stay in Uyo, and my lovely wife and my 2 children are in Uyo with me. So if you're in Uyo, don't need to doubt it. Come to our office tomorrow. A scene will clarify your doubts. See a lot of people we have created. I'll show you what I've mentored and become millionaires in Uyo. Our office in Uyo is number 3, Nsika Edward Avenue. That is 2 lane by IBB Runabout. You see that? The first building by the left, you see the Stevenson House. That is the last floor. That is where our office is. So they don't need to argue. Come to the office tomorrow. By 11 o'clock, we have a business meeting. It's just 45 minutes business meeting. If I know you, be in our office. And right now, if you're a busy man, you don't get time. You love what you do, but you are just looking for anything that you can do part-time or spare time to make what we call supplementary income, or we call them significant income, or we call them residual income. Okay, we can teach you. As a busy man, you only give us your spare time. Online, we're going to be mentorship program, online and offline. So anyone you like, or your part-time. If you're a busy man, we are not going to give you 1 week, we'll give you 1 month, because you give us excuses. I was late, I was at work, I was doing this, I was doing that. So no problem. 1 month, take it first. We're going to train you, we're going to mentor you. If 2 customers say yes, company pay you 7,000 naira. Okay, even if you did not do anything again for life, please enroll the 2 of them on the Millionaire School. Let us train them, let us mentor them. The following month, let's say 4 customers say yes. Each of them goes in with 7,000 for sharing information. You for doing nothing, company pay you 7,001, 7,002, 14,000 naira. In the next 1 year right now, company has paid you 17.2 million naira as extra source of income. I want to say something today. This money you see on the screen could not buy my Mercedes-Benz. I bought that Mercedes-Benz 3 years ago, 18 million. So this is small money. Tell your neighbor small money. Go to the child one time for me, small money. Because we're going to take us, a business you got for less than 50,000 naira. We are going to hold you by the hand, mentor and train you for 1 year, hoping that you're going to make 1 million naira from your 6 months every single month for the rest of your life. Okay, if we train and mentor you for a business slot you got for less than 50,000 naira, and in 1 year you did not make 17.2 million and you make 15 million, is that a bad business? It's not a bad business. A business you started with less than 50,000 naira, we hold you by the hand, mentor you for 1 year. You did not make 17.2 million, you do not make 15 million, and you make 10 million, and you make 8 million. Is that a bad business? It is not a bad business. Because with that money, you can buy a good car for yourself. You can buy a forward-thinking car, black Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. Or that black stand for power, for dignity, for prestige. It's a 1 year program. I'm going to mentor you with other mentors from the US, from Germany, from Spain. We're going to talk to you on Zoom. I'll call your finance. The sky will be your starting point. Okay, this guy is born again. This guy is a forward-thinking car. This guy is speaking in tongues. And I prophesy to you, you'll get this car this year. We're going to be part of a program, not just prophecy. There will be step by step mentorship program. And we're going to teach you in a Millionaire School about core values in life, core purpose in life, money master class, financial intelligence, emotional intelligence. So many courses we're going to teach you for free. The Millionaire School is free of charge. We are doing this as a corporate social responsibility. 6 month intensive mentorship and training program. You can get a good home for yourself. If you get 1 business slot, company policy says you can never earn money more than 210,000 a day. If company says whenever you share the information, get a slot, company pays 7,000. Any day you earn 210,000. the money stops. We call it flush out. Whoever that get the slot, the money goes back to the company. That's how the company makes their money. I know the truth about life. If you don't end up to this amount, company doesn't make money. So company pays you first and take the remaining one. We call it flush out. That was why I did not get one slot. I went and borrowed money from my uncle. I got 3 business slots because I was broke, I was poor, I was living in face my face you, and I was told if I get 3 business slots and I drop my account number, the following working day they will verify my account. The following working day I'm going to get 16,000 naira. So I was already a Thomas for 8 months. So I needed to take some risk that will change my financial status. But I was still having some fear and doubt. So I now say, okay, let me do for 3 so that I can get that initial alert and let me confirm that this is working. Okay, when I borrowed the money, I got 3 business slots and I dropped my account number. The third working day, company paid me 16,000 naira. I was still broke and poor, living in face my face you. So I grabbed my ATM card, ran to the next ATM machine, and I put my card, put my PIN, and the money came out. I collected the money, start counting the money to be sure it's complete 16,000 naira. Now I'm making money. I began to ask myself question: why do poor men always count money after withdrawing money from the ATM machine? You know why? Because a poor man suspects everything in this life. Even ATM machine is a suspect to a poor man. Okay, the thing is this: you can earn up to 630,000 in a day, 4.4 in a week, 18.9 million in a month. Okay, like I would say, even if it's 20%, you know, person will go school get 20% for course. They call them carryover. Okay, 20% in the millionaire school. You are making a good amount of money. And look at one of our mentee. Her name is Vivian. We mentored her for 8 days. She has made 500,000 already. One of our mentee, her name is Lydia Toby. We just mentored her for 3 weeks. She has made over 1 million naira. This one, our mentee, Ebenezer Tumetugbe, 1.8 million naira in 3 weeks. This is one of our, this woman I've not met her before in my eyes. She stays in Germany, and we have office in Germany. We have office in Spain, Italy, Spain, South Africa, Ghana, Togo, Rwanda, Manila. So many countries, over 100 countries in the world. We have offices. Somebody connected out to me on Zoom during lockdown. I was telling the beautiful woman and the handsome man, Mr. and Mrs. Loretta Onokolo. I said, don't worry, I'm going to mentor you for 2 months. You make 1.7 million. Okay, I was so surprised. In less than 2 months, 42 days, they already made 1.9 million naira already. Okay, this is my name. My name is Ofon Bugubakudum. In my first 1 month, I was being mentored. I made 1.8 million naira in my account. I could not sleep at night because this is the first time I ever saw 1.8 million naira in my account. The money was in the bank. I got the alert inside Face Me and Face You that I was living throughout the night. I could not sleep. That night, I realized that the amount of money you give to a poor man cannot sleep at night. Okay, if you are born poor, it's not your fault. If you die poor, it is your fault. You know why? Because poor is spelled P-O-O-R, which means passing over opportunities repeatedly. Whenever a man keep passing over opportunities repeatedly, he's going to be a poor man. People keep telling me, I've never seen opportunity before in my life. That is not true. Opportunity happens to everybody every single day of our life. If you get 7 business slot, company says you can earn up to 1.4 million naira in one daily. You take the company 3 years to mentor you. Mr. Nnamdi Anyachukwu, my mentor, my coach, the Hall of Fame, earned 7.4 million naira in 3 weeks. This man relocated from Nigeria to US. He now lives at Atlanta, Georgia. Every time Mr. Nnamdi Anyachukwu is calling me on phone. From what I still do in Nigeria? Nigeria is a village. There is no constant light. There is no good road. Come to US and I'm beginning to consider it. But the way the country is going now, it be like say we don't get direction again. I just wait for Buhari to give us direction again because we need help. We partner with Access Bank of Nigeria for 9 years. With Eco Bank of Nigeria for 9 years. With Zenith Bank of Nigeria for 9 years. The NAFDAC of SON. And the partners company give us free training, free mentorship program, free food product, free a lot of people from Zenith Bank, from Access Bank. Some of them give us a free physical product like this. You can also see the beverages the company gave to us. The beverages also here. You can also have the beverages. We have a different company. We have a lot of beverages, a lot of product from the company, a lot of free of charge. All of them are NAFDAC. If I open this one, you can see for yourself. And I'll call the company say the product is free. We call it gift check, free of charge. And looking at this, one of our major partners is called Nature's Way. Nature's Way is located in Utah, USA. Now look at this very well. You can see this product now, manufactured by Nature's Way, distributed in Nigeria. NAFDAC number is here. You can also see this one, manufactured by Nature's Way, distributed in Nigeria. NAFDAC number is here. You can also see this one now, manufactured by Nature's Way, distributed in Nigeria. NAFDAC number is here. Or they send the product, we call it gift check. I've been enjoying free product for the past 5 years of my life. Some from US, from Philippines, from this country, they send to us, we are enjoying free of charge. Okay, the company, of course, we have a lot of things to gain: excellent health, asset acquisition, free international trip, brand new cars. We have achievement and award. We have 30,000 self-made multi-millionaires produced in the past 15 years. We started in March 2006. We're a global company. We are in over 100 countries in the world. We don't hold conventions in halls, but in stadium. The face that I saw this, I did not believe myself until when I traveled outside the country. 120 Nigerian delegates, and look at me here. Look at me, millions of people all over the world getting that slot. Look at me here. When I came back to Nigeria, I was in head office in Lagos. That was 2017. I saw Francis Duru getting his own slot. As this is me, that's my lovely wife. I saw Shegun Arinze. I saw this popular Nollywood actor. Father is a good man. Father was getting so many slots for his church member that don't have jobs. I'm not a Catholic member, but I must confess, Father is a good man. Father was telling us how he gets some slot for his church member who are working, their salary is not enough for them, who don't have jobs, that after morning mass, he will share to his church members at the parish. When we launched our office at Abuja, we invited the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Alhaji Muhammad Buhari. Buhari no come. Buhari no they go anywhere for this country. Just they one place, just 5 low. And he said, Vice President make him come. Professor Yemi Osibanjo San. He came, one of the ministers of Ngige. Look at Kanwan Papilo, is a brand ambassador of our company. His brother Bona. Look at Mr. Nnamdi Achiku. Look at the lovely wife. Look at the board of directors of our partners company in the middle. He's a visionary president, Dr. Eduardo Cabaton, the billionaire, the engineer Francis Miguel, Mr. Jonas Spring, engineer fund. Your mouth is moving like this. Have you seen these men before? Yes, now they come to Nigeria 2 to 3 times in a year. Look at the first time I met them and look at my face very well. 4 years ago. Look at my face very well. I was just escaping from poverty. Escaping from poverty. Look at my face. Look at me. Exactly 1 year I was mentored and trained. Exactly 1 year. Look at the same man you saw again. At this point in time, okay, if you touch my forehead, you will see oil. Oil there, that means the money on the income account. Look at the people we mentored and trained. Look at me today. This is my 5th car in just few years in the business. I got the car 3 years ago. I was 4 years. Every 3 years ago when I was 4 years in the business. And look at what the people we train. Engineer Rinze is a multi-millionaire, buying cars, building houses, traveling around the world with us. Look at Kitetuko. I personally mentored this young man, took him to Dubai, took him to Abu Dhabi, 2018, 2019. He came back buying cars, building houses, supporting people. And of course, you can see one of our mentees at Gesen Korok has bought MDA Sakura for the father already. Mr. De Philip, Mr. Engineer Franklin, Engineer Dana Basi David, Mr. Amy Cute, so many stories time will fail me to share. Mr. Anthony Wose for Mr. Luku, and of course, Mr. Nyenime Pop, Mama Nyenime Pop, Mrs. Nyenime Pop. She has bought different cars for herself. She has helped a lot of people in life. And looking at this, Uzochukwu, and you're still asking Man Okondo, so many stories, success stories. I want to round up my program tonight. So I need to ask you a question. How big is your dream? How close are you to achieving your dreams? Do you have big dreams of giving your children good education? Say yes to the business. Family vacation, say yes to it. But what do you want in life? Do you want a good home for yourself? Do you want to be your boss? Do you want to work from home? Do you need an extra income? Do you need financial freedom? What do you want in this life? What do you want? Do you want to make a difference on people's life? Because 6 million children die of starvation every year. That is why we are launching our foundation right now to feed 1 million family by December 2021. Someone like me, I've stopped giving out money. I've stopped borrowing money. So we are saving all our money, a percentage to do charity. We are drilling 10 boreholes in 10 communities by December 2021. I've got looking at this. You want about retirement? Don't worry, because by April, we are traveling to Dubai. You want to join us to Dubai by April? 5 days in Dubai, 2 days in Abu Dhabi, free of charge. All expense paid trip. Just get all the international passport, your COVID-19 test, your flight ticket, your return ticket, your feeding, your accommodation, everything. Go to the chat box and type 1, type 1, type 1, type 1, type 1. You want the part of the all expense paid trip. And of course, September, we are traveling again. You want to join by September, go to the chat box and type 2, type 2, type 2, type 2. And of course, looking at this, we are launching a car program that will help you buy your dream car. You are interested in the car program, go to the chat box and type 3, type 3, type 3. I want to see your comment on the chat box. You can't know us for 2 years, you don't have a landed property. As we round our program, let us read this together with me. Starting from here, 1 together, go. People don't have the patience to build a business for 3 years, but they have the patience to go to work for 40 years. You did not read this with me. I said, let us read this together. 1 together, go. People don't have the patience to build a business for 3 years, but they have the patience to go to work for 40 years. And look how we look for job in Nigeria. And look at how we retire from job in Nigeria. We don't retire from job in Nigeria rich and wealthy. We always retire from job in Nigeria with high blood pressure, with low blood pressure, with short blood pressure, with fat blood pressure, with long blood pressure. Blood pressure has been a major problem in Nigeria. You know why? Because most of our pensioners, most of our retirees that are not being paid, so they're thinking too much. Their BP is high. When money enter the account, their BP normalized. That is the truth about life. There are many people in life, the only thing they need is money to enter the account. Their BP will be okay. The thing is this, I don't like what the federal government is doing. They are subjecting the senior citizen of Nigeria to the carrying cardboard. Enough is enough to patient suffering. Senators, have mercy on us, for God's sake. Okay? One senator salary for Nigeria can pay a good number of police pensioners. And look at how they treat our senior citizens. My mother worked for Akwa Ibom State government for 35 years. They still they boy me for her too. And my mother retired last December, and government told my mother that they for the past 8 years in Akwa Ibom State, they have not been paying gratuity in Akwa Ibom State. That means my mother will not receive her gratuity. Government scammed my mother of her gratuity. Government has scammed. Okay, I used to know before that they said government work has security. That government have the job security. Okay? Nothing like job security again now. And you know one thing about this job thing, if somebody is giving you a job, he will use your time, he will use your energy, he will use your intellectual property, and your children cannot inherit your job. That's your job you are protecting like this. Okay, if anything happens to you now, back then, before they bury yourself, someone else will replace you in that job. Why don't you stand up and start doing something that children will appreciate you for? I know the beauty part of this life, you cannot wait for government to do everything for you. There's nothing like job security. This is the time to start building a family business. Stop helping to make other family rich and wealthy, and your child will never inherit your job. How much do you need? You have a free product worth 70,000 naira. Company will send to you. Like the beverages, our courier service is working right now. We're going to send it to you. Once you send it, we send you the courier. You go there at the point of picking your package. You just pay the the courier fee, maybe 2,000 or so. Just pick your package for free. You're going to send a free package to you anywhere you are in Nigeria. Although, and company give you a free website worth 500,000, free 6-month mentorship and training program worth 1 million. What you are supposed to pay is 1,570,000. Company say you will not pay that amount. You will not pay 1 million naira, not even 700,000, not 500,000. The slot now is 100,000 naira. But right now we are in a new year promo. The promo is 44,888. If you pay this money right now, you enjoy all this for free. And if you blink, you miss, the promo will go up again, because the promo is always first month of the year. I don't know what made the company to extend it to today. I am not the owner of the company. I am not a staff of the company. I am just a beneficiary that wants others to benefit from this business, because I have enjoyed it enough for 5 years. So I need to bring in my brothers and my sisters, my uncles and my daddy, to also enjoy this abundance is happening right now in our industry. If you get one business slot right now, company attached to you, a rising star mentor that will train you for 3 years for you to make 210,000 every day. Like me, I will even say 21,000. 10% every day is something. If you get 3 business slot like me, today is Friday in Nigeria, drop your account number today. Monday morning, bank will verify that is your account. On a Tuesday morning, company pay you 16,000 naira. 3 slots is 134,000. 6 is for 16,000 naira is a one-time payment. But we'll add you on the training program, Millionaire School. As they are training you, you are making money, and the Glow Mentor will mentor you specifically for you to make 630,000 every day of your life. It takes him 3 years to make it happen. It's a training and mentorship program. If you get 7 business slot right now, it's 314 to 16. 7 business slot supposed to be 700,000 naira. So you're saving money by paying your slot tonight. You drop your account number tonight. On Monday morning, bank will verify that is your account. On a Tuesday morning, company pay you 62,000 naira. Okay, DIS ambassadors will be attached to you to mentor you to make 1.4 million naira every day of your life. Like me, I would say 10%, 140,000 is okay. If you have 15 business slots, and of course that goes for 673 and 320, make your payment tonight, because this 15 slots is 1.5 million. So you are saving yourself a lot of money by paying now tonight. Drop your account number tonight. On Monday morning, bank will verify that is your account. On a Tuesday morning, company pay 182,000. We attach to you an elite ambassadors that will help you and mentor you to make 3.1 million in a day. Of course, even if it's 10%, like me, I will always say the first 50 people that will pay their money tonight, I will personally mentor you in the VIP mentorship program. This is a company project account you can make your payment to. Please endeavor to get back to the person that invited you. Ask him or her reservation code, because that is a code that will link us to her, that she will get the money. Send the reservation code and evidence of payment to this WhatsApp line. This is a customer care line. This is not my personal line. With the line will add, you will give you my personal number or add it on the Millionaire School. And we're ready to work with you. And looking at the starting points of all achievements is desire. The vision is clear, the ambassadors are there. Those who take action quickly get results faster. Frequently asked question: is the business real? Yes. Is it for everybody? Yes. Will I have 1 hour, 2 hours to build a business that will pay me 50,000 to 4 million every month? Yes. Do I need to sell or market product? No. Please, all the product the company sent to you is for personal use. Although Nigerians have invented 30 things for the product. One of the men were telling me the other day that, in Japan, they gave me the product to use, but I can use it. I say yes. He said, I can share it. I say yes. He said, I can also sell it and get back my money. I say, yeah. He said, okay, you think? I said, no, the product was meant for personal use. It's not for sale. Please, do I need to convince anybody? No. You are not to go and talk. You are not to go and convince anybody. Your responsibility, your job now to share information. That is the only thing we do in the sharing economy. In the sharing economy, you must be a sharer. And look at, is this a business or investment? This is a business and never investment. Will I be given the support to say yes? And of course, look at the Millionaire School. The Millionaire School is actually 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, Monday to Friday. So once you make your payment this weekend, you start your training on Monday. And sometimes we do makeup class. And looking at this, how do I get started? Get your slot right now. Drop your account number. Get the tools and materials. Of course, submit your account number. Start sharing information and ensure you are trained first before start sharing information. Now, this is the end of my business meeting today. So what I want to do right now is to share my website with you. I've talked about this website a lot, so let me log in, because once you actually make your payment tonight, in less than 72 hours, you also have your own free customized or personalized website. So you have your own username and password. You click on sign in. Not register, will do everything for you. Just sign in. Once you sign in, like I'm signing on my own right now, you see my name is on the screen. Ofon Bokubokudom is my name. And it's real time. Anywhere you are in the world, you are in London, you are in Germany, you are in Spain, you are in France, anywhere you are, just click on encashment. Once you click on encashment, you see my account number is already there on the screen. Just see my account number. So this company pays me money every day. Today is 12th of February 2021. I got paid today. Yesterday was 11th of February, 10th of February, 9th of February, 8th of February, 6th of February. I get paid every day of my life. What the date? Every day, 29th of January, 28, 27, 20. I get paid this January. I just keep clicking next. Of course, you can see 15th of January, 14, 13, 12, 11, 8, 7. Just keep clicking next. You will see company pays me money every day. 31st of December, 30. So you're making money. That's why you're showing all this alert. Show all that your first alert. You say you raised 15. It's simple. It's real time. Just go to last. Click on last. That's the button. Once you click on last, you see, of course, this is my first alert. My first alert happened on the 31st of January 2015. And my money was supposed to be 96,000 naira. That is my gross income, because we paid tax in our company and the government took almost 5,000 naira of my money. They finally paid me 91,000. So from that moment, 2015, I've been getting a lot from 2015 till today. Someone tell me, when you told us that you have made over 600 million. I say yes. He said, prove it to us. It's real time. Once you make your pay, you're going to have your own username and password. Look at it. In this number one slot right now, look at it. This is current total earnings, 142,914,489,79 kobo. A business that was started with less than 50,000 naira. I was mentored. The business grew to 142.9 million in one slot. I'll show you my second business slot right now. I want to show my second business slot. So you can see I have 15. I started with 3 and I started upgrading and adding to 15 when I was making my money. So you can start with 1, you can start with 2, you can start with 15. But the first 50 people that make the payment tonight, I'll personally work with you. And please don't go and share your dreams to dream stealers. There are people that you talk to, they steal your dreams. You have beautiful dreams, beautiful goals. You go and talk to people that are broke and poor. How do you think a broke man, a poor man will advise you? They will advise you negatively. Most of you will have been successful today if you stop talking to dream stealers. Look at my second business slot. Current total earnings, 39.4 million. You have seen 142.9 million. You have seen 39.4 million. Added to over 183 million naira. In two business slots, 183 million. 183 million naira. I'll show you my third business slot. And I would have loved to show you all my slots up to 15. So you can see, you see over 600 million. Very soon I'll be there in the billion. I would rather call myself the billionaire ambassador. And we are hungry to train people. Our training course is 1 hour for 1 million. But we choose to do it now for free as a corporate social responsibility. Now look at my third business slot. Current total earnings. This how much is this? 67,180,314,005 kobo. You have seen 142.9 million. You have seen 39 point something million. You have seen 67 million. That is over 247 million naira. 247 million. In my 3 slots, I have over 15. And of course, if I talk and show you, I can show you on and on again. So I want to work with you tonight. So tonight, you are making payment now. The first 50 people will have my VIP ticket to work with me directly, and the sky will be your starting point. This is a company project account you can make your payment to. Okay, let me just get the company project account. Take a screenshot of this because you may need it. Take a screenshot of this. Get back to the person that invited you. Ask him or her of his or the reservation code. Send the evidence to the line. We are going to work with you. But right now, if you don't have the money of this 44,888 tonight, we are going to do two things for you. Number one, if you don't have the money, please, you can do a part payment or deposit or instrumental pay. You know why? Because our promo is always the first month of the year, which our promo is supposed to have ended 31st of January 2021. But today, nobody in the country has understood what happened to the board of directors, why they choose to extend the promo till today. So they might wake up on Monday morning and say there's no more promo. So what you need to do now is to make instrumental pay or part payment or deposit. The minimum you can deposit is 5,000 naira. Now, even if the promo is over, you are paying the difference at the promo price. That means even the promo is over when others are paying 100,000, you are balancing the difference. What do I mean? Let's say you make a deposit of 30,000 naira now, and the promo is over. You are balancing 14,888 to get your package and drop your account number. You make an instrumental pay or deposit of 20,000, you are balancing 24,888 to drop your account number and pick your package. If you're making an instrumental pay of 10,000 naira, you are balancing 34,888, and there's no time frame. You can pay little by little. And the another thing you can enjoy is that because you make a deposit, you can join the Millionaire School. So we can train you and mentor you. There's no time to complete the money. But right now, I want to take questions tonight. So tonight is your first time coming. Tonight must be your first time. You have been listening to me from the beginning, not people that come late. Even though you came in late, there's no need to ask me questions. The seminar or the business meeting is every day by 7 p.m. Come on Zoom. It's every day by 7 p.m., 7 to 8. It's already 2 minutes past 8, so I need to round up right now. But I want to take one or two questions. If you know that you came late, you can always go back to the person and ask him or her of the recorded version of tonight's event. Tonight's event is recorded. So after the IT personnel will download it, convert it to form, share to all of us who have gotten the score. So instead of you asking me questions, I should do a recap. I should start again. No, please, I've been speaking for the past 45 minutes. Just get the recorded version or come back tomorrow in our live program. I want to talk to those who are here from the beginning till now. They have questions for me. Go to your cell phone, go to the smart device you're watching me from, go to your laptop, click on it. When you click on it, click on more, click on raise hand. Your hand will be raised on my screen. Click on raise hand and I will unmute you. Please, when I unmute you, please kindly tell us where you're calling us from and we'll take your question. I've seen a name here. Kenneth, please, where are you calling us from? Please kindly unmute yourself. Mr. Kenneth, please kindly unmute yourself. Where are you calling us from?
Calling from Edo State.
Edo State, ask your question.
I want to ask whether how I can pay the money for slot 1.
Okay, look at what happened. Who invited you to the program tonight?
I don't actually know him. I heard it from radio.
Okay, radio. Okay, we are everywhere. Radio, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. See what you do. Call the number. Tell the number to give you his or her reservation code. So make a payment to this account number on the screen, the company project account. Then we'll direct you to our office in Benin where you can go and pick your package in Benin, drop your account number. We'd like to work with you. And I'll add you on my VIP mentorship program. Get the WhatsApp number on the screen. WhatsApp number, tell him to give you Engineer Ofon's number. My name is Engineer Ofon. Ofon is spelled O-F-O-N. O-F off, O-N on, off and on, join together. You give my personal WhatsApp number, I'll work with you. Are you okay with me? Next. The number is on the screen.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Let me talk to Helen. Helen Okoko, please kindly unmute yourself. What is your question? Where are you calling me from?
I'm calling you from Lagos.
From Lagos. Ask your question.
Okay. It's not a question. I paid yesterday and I sent my evidence of payment to that WhatsApp number on the screen, and they've not responded. I also sent my account number for verification.
Okay, let me do like this. Let me, Helen, let me check how I can chat you up privately. Let me give my personal WhatsApp number because I'll call the customer care to be able to communicate with you. I'm sending you a chat right now, private chat. Have you seen private chat on your chat? Now check your chat on your phone. That's my personal number. So send me a WhatsApp message tonight. My name is Helen Okoko. I'll add you on my VIP mentorship program tonight. Just say, my name is Helen Okoko. I was the one on Zoom this evening. Add me on your personal mentorship program and get to follow up because you have office in Lagos. tomorrow is Saturday, so I can get the office address in Lagos. So you can go and pick your package in Lagos. When you come tomorrow, you say, I've gotten my packages, I've gotten all my login details, and the Sky will be your starting point. Are you okay with that?
Okay, yes.
Thank you. God bless you. So, okay, God bless you. Send me a WhatsApp message tonight, and I'll add you on the WhatsApp. I would like to work with you. Right? I don't know who invited you, but get us the person the reservation code. Send it to me too, so I can contact the person too, so that we can as well give you a wonderful training and mentorship section, so you can be able to be successful. We're going to hold you by the hand and make sure you become super successful in the business. I've seen another person here, Abel Oviki. Abel, where are you calling us from?
Yeah, I'm calling from Germany.
From Germany. Okay, ask your question.
Yeah, it's the same problem with the last speaker who just I paid yesterday, and I think
you yesterday from Germany.
Yes.
Okay, let me send you.
And I've sent my account details and everything.
Don't worry. Let me tell you my personal WhatsApp number is I've sent my personal WhatsApp number. I'm going to do right now. 80. What happened? It's not typing. 8063443876. Okay, now send me a WhatsApp message tonight. My name is Abel Oviki from Germany. I make payment this today. I want to see the evidence. Send it to my personal line. I'll call the customer care contact because there's a lot of work on his table. Like yesterday, over 100 people make payments. So I know the customer care line must be struggling right now. But send me a personal WhatsApp message. I will definitely reply you. Get back to the person that invited you. Who invited you, Mr. Abel?
I'm from Loretta from Germany. Yeah.
Loretta from Germany. Okay, Loretta is in Germany too with you. Okay, why not ask Loretta to chat me up? I'll communicate with her so she will give you all the directives so we can work together. Thank you so much. God bless you. Okay, since there is no more hand, this is already 7 minutes past 8. I would like to call it a day. Please, if I'll channel all your questions to the person that invited you. Please, the first 50 people that will make their payment tonight, you're part of my VIP mentorship program. I'll talk to the customer care to make sure that they send me all the list of people that have made their payment tonight. I'll add you on my VIP program, and the Sky will be your starting point. And we are going to work together, and nothing can stop for achieving your success. This is the end of my presentation this evening. We love you all. You can join us tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday. And don't forget, on Sunday, when you go to church, share this information to family and friends who need an extra income, who want to make 17.2 million naira in 1 year as an extra of income. We are going to train them, share the information to them. We have nothing to lose but sharing. If a person will say good thing, share, give him brother, good thing go full for this life. That's the truth about life. You cannot see something, just keep sharing to all your WhatsApp message, and the Sky will be at a certain point. We love you all, and this is the best we can take tonight. And we want to actually call it a day because we have to leave right now. See you tomorrow by 11 o'clock. By 7 o'clock. See you on top. Cheers. We love you.
Bless me this year. My name is Boys I know. Baba bless me this year. See, as I pray to you, Oluwa bless me now. I'm young. See my guys don't make me. I want to feel I'm on. Baba the street is so dark. I know if you go alone. No. But if you bless me this year, go bless mommy, I hope. See, Baba, you know some money fit me. Tell all this so women don't free me. See my guys wanna feel me. Oh yeah, they don't know if you see me. Baba, you know some money fit me. Tell all this so women don't free me. See my guys wanna feel me.